Hello, creative minds. Teachers' Day is the perfect time to show our appreciation for the amazing teachers who shape our lives. We are excited to share over 60 easy card ideas that will help you create something special. Whether you love to paint, draw, or craft, these ideas will let you express your gratitude in the most heartfelt way. Remember, a handmade card adds a personal touch, showing your teacher how much they mean to you. So gather your materials and let your creativity shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends so they can get inspired too. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more creative ideas and videos like this one. Wishing all the teachers out there a very happy Teachers' Day. Don't forget to subscribe.